the ultimate solution to RV tank measurement. Let's take a moment to review how to install the Horst miracle gauge. First, let's take a look at the basic components of the product. The Horst miracle gauge is comprised of two major components. The first is the actuator, which is used to select the tank the user wishes to measure and distribute air to the tank. The second major component is the gauge, which is used to measure the point of equilibrium, or more specifically, the depth of the tank selected. As you can see, both the gauge and the actuator are secured to the front panel. The base, or rear panel, provides housing for the protruding parts and is used to install the Horst miracle gauge to the wall of an RV. You will notice that there are no electrical components or connections required. Installation is basically a two-step process, the first being the tank connection, the second, the installation of the Horst miracle gauge. The Horst miracle gauge requires a connection to be established with each tank. The system measures the height of the fluid levels starting from the point where the connection is made with the tank, so it is important to make the connection at the lowest point possible. Grommets are provided to establish a sealed connection with each tank. In order to insert a grommet, a 3/8 inch diameter hole is required. You can either drill a 3/8 inch hole in the wall of each tank or simply remove the existing ground grommet and insert the one provided. The tubing should then be directed vertically along the side of the tank, then horizontally over to the front of the tank, up to the actuator. In most RVs, the best place to install the Horst miracle gauge is the bathroom, where most other plumbing fixtures are located. From this location, the tubing that connects the Horst miracle gauge with each tank can simply follow existing plumbing lines or electrical wires. In order to mount the Horst miracle gauge, you will need to drill two 2-inch diameter holes in the wall, 3 3/4 inches apart, to provide room inside the wall for the protruding rear parts of the Horst miracle gauge. The rear panel is used to secure the Horst miracle gauge to the wall. Simply align the 2-inch diameter holes in the wall with those in the rear panel of the Horst miracle gauge and secure the panel to the wall. Once secured, join the tubing to the actuator and secure the front panel to the base of the Horst miracle gauge. That's it. Installation is now complete. Now let's get back to enjoying the real adventure.